This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign an email document and send it back. First, identify the document format, often a PDF file, attached to your email. You have several convenient options for signing, ranging from built-in software on your computer to free online services. We will explore how to select the best tool for your situation, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Once you have opened the email, download the attached document to your computer. Most modern operating systems include a default PDF viewer, which often offers basic annotation tools. Alternatively, free online services like Adobe Fill and Sign or DocuSign Free can provide a robust signing experience directly in your web browser. Ensure you choose a method that feels comfortable and secure for you to proceed. Now, navigate to the signature field within your chosen application. You typically have three options: typing your name, which often generates a stylized font, drawing your signature freehand with your mouse or trackpad, or uploading an image of your physical signature. After carefully placing your signature in the correct spot, make sure to save these changes within the document itself, often by clicking a Done or Apply button. With your document successfully signed, the next crucial step is saving it correctly. Always save the file with a new name, perhaps adding sign to the original title, to avoid confusion. Then, open your email client, reply to the original message, and attach this newly saved, signed document. A quick confirmation message ensures the sender knows you have completed their request efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.